In the ever-evolving world of content creation, the demand for high-quality, portable equipment has never been greater. Enter the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a compact powerhouse designed to meet the needs of filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators who require top-tier performance without the bulk of traditional camera gear. A new era of compact videography. The Osmo Pocket 4 continues DJI's legacy of innovation in the realm of portable videography. Building upon the success of its predecessors, this latest iteration introduces a host of enhancements that elevate the user experience to new heights. From its sleek design to its advanced technological features, the Osmo Pocket 4 is poised to become an indispensable tool for creators on the go. Design and build, portability meets durability. Weighing in at just 190 grams, the Osmo Pocket 4 is engineered for maximum portability without compromising on durability. Its compact form factor allows for easy storage and handling, making it an ideal companion for travel and spontaneous shooting scenarios. Despite its lightweight construction, the device boasts a robust build quality, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The ergonomic design features a contoured grip that enhances comfort during extended shooting sessions. The thoughtfully placed buttons and controls facilitate intuitive operation, allowing users to focus on capturing their vision without distraction. Display, a window to your creativity. The Osmo Pocket 4 is equipped with a 2.5-inch OLED touchscreen that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. With a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and a brightness rating of 800 nits, the display remains clear and readable even under direct sunlight. The responsive touchscreen interface enables precise framing and effortless navigation through menus and settings, putting full creative control at your fingertips. Imaging capabilities, capturing every detail. At the heart of the Osmo Pocket 4 lies a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens. This combination allows for exceptional image quality, with improved low-light performance and a wider dynamic range. The sensor's larger size facilitates better light capture, resulting in clearer, more detailed images, even in challenging lighting conditions. The device supports 10-bit color depth and HDR video recording, providing creators with rich, lifelike colors and enhanced contrast. This feature is particularly beneficial for professionals who require high-quality footage for post-production workflows. Stabilization. Smooth footage in any scenario. One of the standout features of the Osmo Pocket 4 is its advanced stabilization system. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal, coupled with enhanced electronic stabilization algorithms, ensures smooth and steady footage, even during dynamic movements. Whether you're walking, running, or navigating through crowded environments, the Osmo Pocket 4 delivers shake-free results that rival larger, more cumbersome camera setups. Autofocus and tracking, precision in motion. The Osmo Pocket 4 introduces ActiveTrack 7.0, DJI's latest AI-powered subject tracking technology. This system utilizes advanced algorithms to detect and follow subjects with remarkable accuracy, keeping them in focus even as they move through the frame. The addition of phase detection autofocus further enhances the camera's ability to lock onto subjects quickly and maintain sharp focus throughout the shot. This combination of intelligent tracking and rapid autofocus makes the Osmo Pocket 4 an excellent choice for solo content creators who need reliable performance without the assistance of a dedicated camera operator. Audio, clear sound for every scene. Recognizing the importance of high-quality audio in video production, the Osmo Pocket 4 incorporates significant improvements in its sound recording capabilities. The device features an array of microphones designed to capture clear, directional audio while minimizing background noise. Wind noise reduction algorithms further enhance audio clarity, ensuring that your voice remains crisp and intelligible, even in breezy conditions. For those seeking even higher audio fidelity, the Osmo Pocket 4 offers compatibility with external microphones via its USB-C port. This flexibility allows users to tailor their audio setup to suit specific recording environments and requirements. Battery life. Powering your creativity. The Osmo Pocket 4 is equipped with a high-capacity battery that provides extended recording times, allowing creators to capture more footage between charges. The device also supports fast charging, enabling quick power-ups during breaks or between shooting sessions. This combination of long battery life and rapid charging ensures that the Osmo Pocket 4 is ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. Connectivity. Seamless integration with your workflow. To facilitate smooth integration with existing workflows, the Osmo Pocket 4 offers a range of connectivity options. The device supports wireless communication with smartphones and other devices, enabling easy transfer of footage and remote control capabilities. Additionally, the Osmo Pocket 4 is compatible with DJI's suite of mobile applications, providing access to advanced editing tools, firmware updates, and other features that enhance the overall user experience. Accessories. Expanding your creative horizons. DJI offers a variety of accessories designed to complement the Osmo Pocket 4 and expand its creative possibilities. These include wide-angle lenses, wireless microphones, extension rods, and protective cases, among others. These accessories allow users to customize their setup to meet specific shooting needs, whether it's capturing expansive landscapes, conducting interviews, or filming in challenging environments. Use cases, versatility across disciplines. The Osmo Pocket 4's compact size, advanced features, and ease of use make it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Whether you're a vlogger documenting your travels, a filmmaker capturing cinematic scenes, or a content creator producing social media content, the Osmo Pocket 4 provides the tools you need to bring your vision to life. Its portability makes it an excellent choice for on-the-go shooting, while its advanced features ensure professional quality results. The device's intuitive interface and intelligent tracking capabilities further enhance its appeal to solo creators and those new to videography. Future prospects. What's next for the Osmo Pocket series? Looking ahead, DJI continues to innovate and refine the Osmo Pocket series, with future iterations promising even more advanced features and capabilities. While details about upcoming models remain under wraps, it's clear that DJI is committed to pushing the boundaries of portable videography, providing creators with the tools they need to tell their stories in new and exciting ways.